Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Dee, and Dee came in for the 4-month checkup. And the reason why I'm doing this video is I wanted to go ahead and ask you if you could find his scar. So 4.5 months ago he came in, we went ahead and did the frontal third and the vertex, and his scar is invisible. Hopefully you can go ahead, we'll show before and after pictures of just the back of his head, but this is one thing that we pride ourselves on here at Natural Transplants is our scars. That's why we also do scar revisions, and we feel very comfortable going ahead and performing plastic surgery type of scar revisions and making sure that you can shave down to a level 1, 1.5, sometimes a level 2. But Dee, I thank you so much for coming in and sharing your scar with us, and we still look forward to seeing more growth over the entire scalp. But thank you so much for sharing the scar. And anybody who's interested in a hair transplant, please call us here at Natural Transplants. I'm Dr. Siegel. Have a great day. Thanks.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.